ladies, look, okay, let's be honest. I haven't participated in the 30 days of slay simply because you see this hair? You see it? Okay, number one, this is the Donna wig by Outre. Number two, it's a 33, if I'm not mistaken. And number three, I've been having this wig on all week. Like, I have come to a place of appreciation of not having to change my wigs every day, okay? So when I'm at work, I pick one cute wig for that work week, and I wear it that whole week. Now, this wig is on its last leg, I feel. I feel like after this week, I'm going to have to go on and let her go. It's like she done got huge, number one. She's still pretty, but I don't know. I don't know if I should keep her or not, because she's getting bigger and bigger by the day. This hair, the more you wear it, the bigger it will get, honey. I do like the texture. I love the tone. I love the way they did those colors. It's really, really pretty. And it go good with my melanin. I just want to put that out there. But yes, I have not participated in the 30 days of slay because I was like, they ain't gonna want to see this same wig every day. Like 2 days of slay, 3 days of slay, and I got the same wig on. So, you know, I could do a weekly slay, you know, a week by week slay, and then give y'all something different on the weekends, because y'all know I switch wigs on the weekend, you know. That's like when I do the most, honey. But during the week, she gotta be working 5 o'clock in the morning. She ain't got time to be styling no wigs, putting no wigs together. I need to be just throw it on. For the last couple of days, I've just been throwing this wig on with no problem. I ain't had to do nothing but maybe fluff it out. That's it. And I go about my business. Okay? So, Key will not be participating in 30 days of slay, but I will be coming here like I normally do, off and on, giving myself life, because I don't know if I give y'all life, but I give myself life when I put these wigs on, honey. So yeah, I might be throwing one. Actually, when I get off of work, just hop in the shower, get cute, whatever. I will be throwing one on to go get my nails did, because I need my nails done, y'all. My son's getting my nails done for Christmas. You probably like, Christmas is a couple of weeks away. I know he ain't gonna have no money when Christmas roll around, so he giving me mine now. Okay, he's a smart one. Okay. So, I hope you ladies have an amazing weekend. I hope it's full of blessings. I hope it's full of joy. And I just want to say, I see y'all slaying, and y'all are definitely doing y'all thing. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.